I think the remarks of the President, which was delivered in playful jest, actually was a criticism that COA should apply, even if the rules are very strict, you can liberally construe it within the ambit of the law that will not delay the delivery of services. That's one. The other thing is, I think it's addressed to Congress. If there are provisions there that will impair the delivery of services, then Congress should amend the procedures of the auditing protocols. For instance, if the requirement is 100 days, o pwede mong gawing 25 days, di ba? Ano yan eh? It requires, on the part of COA, creativity and dexterity. They can bend a little, but not in derogation of the provisions of the law, but still within the ambit.
Sir, could you give us examples?
Like for instance, kung ang requirement mo sa bidding, for instance, merong number of days na kailangan magsabit ka ng ganito, pwede mo namang i-reduce yun. Kasi usually, matagal talaga ang processing eh. So you simplify the bidding procedures para hindi matagal. Kung maraming requirements, mahihirapan yung mga aplikante o yung bidder, o di tanggalin.